Welcome to Quiz Cracker. Today we will play amazing Scrambled Words game. In this video, unscramble the scrambled words in 8 seconds. To test your general knowledge. Let's begin the quiz. Correct answer is subscribe. Let us begin with puzzle number 1. And the hint is a nutrient that is necessary for the production of thyroid hormones, which regulate metabolism. Correct answer is iodine. Coming to puzzle number 2. The hint. This mineral is important for the structure of bones and teeth, as well as for muscle function. Correct answer is calcium. Now the puzzle number 3 and the hint is the vitamin acts as an antioxidant and supports the immune system. Correct answer is vitamin E. Now the puzzle number 4 and the hint is the mineral crucial for proper nerve function and muscle contractions, including the heart muscle. Correct answer is magnesium. Next, the puzzle number 5 is not so difficult. The hint is a nutrient which is important for the formation and maintenance of healthy connective tissues. Correct answer is vitamin C. Coming to the puzzle number 6 and the hint is the mineral which is important for the formation and maintenance of healthy skin, hair, and nails. Correct answer is zinc. Next, the puzzle number 7 that is easy and the hint is nutrient which is crucial for the synthesis of neurotransmitters, which regulate mood and behavior. Correct answer is vitamin B6. The puzzle number 8 is not difficult at all and the hint is this mineral is a component of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen. Correct answer is iron. Coming to the puzzle number 9 and the hint is a harmful chemical often found in conventional cosmetics and skincare products. Correct answer is parabens. Now the puzzle number 10 is easy and the hint is the mineral which is essential for maintaining fluid balance and nerve function. Correct answer is sodium. Now the puzzle number 11 is easy as well and the hint is this nutrient is necessary for proper blood clotting. Correct answer is vitamin K. Now the puzzle number 12 is known to all and the hint is the nutrient essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. Correct answer is protein. Now the puzzle number 13 is easy and the hint is the ingredient is used as natural pesticides in gardening. Correct answer is neem. Now the puzzle number 14 is not so difficult. The hint is the mineral important for regulating blood pressure and fluid balance. Correct answer is potassium. Coming to puzzle number 15 is super easy. The hint is the vitamin that aids in the absorption of calcium and phosphorus for bone health. Correct answer is vitamin D. Now the answer to number 16 may be difficult for some. The hint is the nutrient plays a crucial role in the synthesis of DNA and proper cell division. Correct answer is folate. Coming to puzzle number 17. The hint is this nutrient is essential for maintaining healthy vision. Correct answer is Vitamin A. The answer to number 18 is known to all. The hint is: this mineral is important for the formation of strong teeth enamel. Correct answer is fluoride. Coming to the puzzle number 19N. The hint is: the vitamin that acts as an antioxidant and helps protect cells from damage. Correct answer is vitamin E. The number 20, the last but not the least, is easy. The hint is: it is a chemical commonly used in conventional oven cleaners. Correct answer is ammonia.
New to this channel? Please subscribe and take your knowledge to next level. It's Quizcracker presentation.